Burly Bundle is a subscription box company that sends out, every other month, an accessory and craft project related to burlesque. You can see everything you get in the box is beautifully packaged and branded with a lot of great care and attention to details. It really is the most beautiful packaging I've seen in craft supplies, and my cat likes it too. This box includes every single thing you will need for this month's project. I'm serious when I said every single thing. The only personal item that did not come in the box that I used is that shoebox that you see me doing my work inside of. Shoebox trick is just something that I figured out because I am clumsy as hell, and as you will see over the course of this video, I spill crystals everywhere. So the shoebox is just how I figured out to keep it contained. So a nice way to keep your work materials all together and lets you move your entire project if you need to move it before the glue has completely dried. In the interest of full transparency and honesty, there was one thing that I did not like very much about this month's project. The one thing that I did not like very much was that this project also had a lot of really little stones in it, and I have terrible eyesight. I have problems with my optic nerves. I have severe nearsightedness, so working with those little SS3s was just a complete migraine-inducing nightmare. I worked slowly and carefully and somehow got through it with my sanity intact. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, be sure to subscribe. Somewhere up there, YouTube is going to recommend a video it thinks you like. Bye now.